السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته أبنائي وبناتي طلاب برايمري 5 in أمجاد لانجويج سكولز. النهاردة معانا مستر علي وهنشرح النهاردة إن شاء الله ليسون جديد. It's titled Lesson 10 Infinite Division with having a remainder. We will go to the first example. Number 1, divided 2 over 3 and approximating the quotient to 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places equals approximate to nearest hundredth. Approximate to nearest hundredth. Firstly, we draw the figure of division and write the dividend and write the divisor and make the timetable and first and go to the division. Firstly, we division from the left. 2 divided 3 impossible because 2 smaller than 3. Impossible means put 0 in quotient. 2 has no number to the right because 2 become bigger than 3. Is 2 only. Because that we put decimal after 0. And we can add 0 beside 2 and 2 become 20. 20 divided 3 possible because 20 is bigger than 3. Search about 20, not found. Search about number bigger than 20, 21, yes. Cancel it and take this multiply. 6 write it up, 18 write it under 20 and subtract. Remainder 2 and we can add another 0. 20 divided 3, take the same multiply. The first number write it up, second number write it under dividend and subtract. Remainder also 2 and we can add another 0. We take the same multiply, 6 write it up and the second number write it under dividend and subtract equal to. In the question he say approximating the quotient. This is the quotient. Approximate to 2 decimal places. He want 2 decimal places in the approximate. Then we must find 3 decimal places. We must find 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places because he want approximate 2 nearest 2 decimal places. We must find 3 decimal places. 2 over 3 equal by dividing 0.666. Approximate to nearest 2 decimal places. We move under the second digit in the decimal point. 6 ask 6. Give me 1. Yes, because this 6 is rich digit. Give 6 1. This 6 become 7. Then the result is 0.67. Another exercise, divide 23 by 123 and then approximating the quotient to 2 decimal places also. Approximate to nearest a hundredth. We make the divide figure and write the dividend and write the divisor and make the timetable and go to the divided. 1 divided 123 impossible. 13 divided 123 impossible. Impossible means put 0 in quotient. 13 only has no number to the right because that we put 0 in the quotient and add 0 to right of the 3. The new dividend equal 130. 130 can divide it by 123 because 130 is bigger. Search about 130, not found. Search about number bigger than 130, bigger than 130, no. Bigger than 130, yes. Cancel this number and take this product. In one, write it up. Second number, write it under dividend and subtract the remainder 007. 7 is a remainder. We must add 0. A new dividend equal 70. 70 divided 123 impossible. So we put 0 in quotient and add another 0. The new dividend become 700. Can divide it by 123 because 700 is bigger. Search about 700, not found. Search about number bigger than 700, yes, this number. Cancel it and take the above number, 5, write it up. 615, write it under dividend and subtract. We get 85. Then 13 divided 123 equal 0.105, approximately equal 2 decimal places. Stop at 0. 0 ask 5. 5 reach, give 0 1. 0 become 1. يبقى the result is 0.11. Go to another exercise. Divide 5 over 6, approximating the quotient to 1 decimal place. We draw the figure plane, dividend, divisor, table, and go to multiply. Start the division from 5. 5 divided 6 impossible because we put 0 in quotient. And 5 haven't any number to the right because that we point 0 in the quotient and add 0 beside 5. The new dividend become 50. 50 divided 6 possible. Search about 50, not found. Search about number bigger than 50. 54. Cancel this and take the above multiply. In 8, write it up. Second number, write it under dividend and subtract the remainder 2. Remainder 2, we can add 0. 20 divided 6 possible. Search about 20. not found. Search about number greater than 20. Greater than, no, yes. This number greater than 20, cancel it and tick it. 3, write it up. Second number, write it under dividend and subtract. We get 2. Then 5/6 equals 0.83 and approximately equal 1 decimal place at 8. 3 is poor digit, not given 8 1, because that is 8 is still 8 as this, and 3 becomes 0. Thank you for listening and goodbye.